parents, today I, Vansh and my friend JAPJEET is going to show the magnetic theatre.
This is a science experiment which shows the attraction and repulsion of the magnets through which the puppets are working to the magnets. So we all start the story.
Hello guys, I am Vincent. I am a very honest man. I paint houses, boats, etc.
Hey Vincent, I'm a very rich person here. Can you paint my boat, please?
Yeah sir, no problem.
Here is my boat. Please paint it.
Okay.
Oh, I can take my boat?
Yeah sir.
How much price will you take?
Only 2 pieces of copper.
Oh, take this and let me go. Oh,
Okay.
Oh, my family, let's go to a ride on a boat. So let's come.
One day, the carpenter was on holiday. So, after long holiday, the carpenter comes and said that, "Sir, where is the boat? I have to fix it. There is a very big hole in that."
Oh, my family is gone. They will sink in the water. Please help them. Please help him. I pray to the God. Please, please.
Okay, the family of the rich man came very safely.
So they were all amazed and they said, "Oh, but there was a big hole in the boat. We are safe." This is the work of the honest person, Vincent. Call him Vincent now.
Yes, sir. What happened?
There was a big hole in this boat. Dad, you have fixed it? Please tell me.
Yeah, sir. There was a very big hole. So I thought that your family will be safe. So I fixed that hole.
The word of your honesty is so many pieces of gold.
Thank you, sir.
The
moral of the story is always be honest. Thank you.